Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you new vertical depth clock for your Galaxy device. Okay, before start, guys, let me tell you this is 1UI8.5 and this depth clock work also on 1UI9, 1UI8 and also 1UI7. So let's begin. Okay, guys, first download font zip file on your Galaxy device. This zip file download link available on description. Simply download and extract on your Galaxy device. After extract, simply open font folder and go to system and go to private app, and guys, look at these many beautiful fonts, clock fonts on this zip file. Simply scroll and find Oppo Big Clock Sans Short No Colon. This font, remember, Oppo Big Clock Sans Short No Colon. Simply tap and install this clock font. Okay, look at this. For now, this clock font block. Simply tap and OK. Go to setting and disable app blocker. Go to security and privacy. Disable app blocker and install Oppo Big Clock. Look at this. This time Oppo Big Clock installed on my Galaxy device. Now simply tap and hold and set this vertical Oppo Big Clock on lock screen. Look at this Oppo Big Clock Short No Colon. Simply go to style and set vertical clock like this. Tap on done. Now set wallpaper. Before set wallpaper, simply tap and hold on object and save this object as PNG image. After set this object PNG image, simply go to edit and crop this object like this. Crop this image completely half. Tap on save. Now set this wallpaper. Tap on done and go to lock screen. After go to lock screen, simply tap and hold. And guys, before start, install Good Lock and update Lockstar module. After update Lockstar module, simply tap on Lockstar. Tap on App Widget. Add Gallery Widget and select this PNG crop image from Gallery. Look at this. Simply tap on Center and Fill Widget. Tap on Save. Now, first set this vertical big clock like this. Now set this PNG image. Okay, look at this. I set PNG image on lock screen. Simply tap on done and look at this new vertical depth clock enabled on your Galaxy device. This is really amazing, right? Look at this AOD. So guys, you also set this new vertical depth clock on your Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video. Bye bye.